안녕하세요. Welcome. Hello everyone. QK YouTube channel. Well, today I am starting with this bodysuit. What is it called? The leopard. Leotard. Yeah, I always forget that word. It's confused with the leotard and leopard. So okay, leotard. Yeah. So because these models wearing these very unique pattern tights with the beige suit, but I don't have a beige suit now, so I just wearing a onesie. I think that's just colors like copying with this model. Anyways, we are going to see these very fun ties today. Are you excited? I'm actually like half excited and half nervous, like how it looks like on my legs. Like, it's very unique, so it's good to try. If you guys are also feeling like this nervous, same as I feel, then just watch my video. I will give you I'm a leader of you, so I will try this on and I will tell you guys. Well, before we get into that, like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you know what I'm gonna say, please subscribe my channel. If you wanna try this Korean quality pantyhose from Korea, which is my lovely favorite ties, please check out this link website of kpantyhose.com. We have new colors and a lot of different deniers, so trust me, you will love it. You will like that. And if you want to see more exclusive content of me, also check out my membership site. It would be nice to have you as my members, so always thank you. Yeah, let's get into wearing these 50 exciting, 50 nervous, very unique ties from Transparenze. Thank you very much to my California friends who provided this very unique fun ties. I appreciate that. So I love Transparenze, these ties, but they're quite expensive. So I don't know. Their quality are good, so should I say they're expensive or not? Because they're cheaper than Warford and Folk, but also more expensive than other ties. So yeah, let's just say it's not very affordable. It's not very reasonable. But anyways, yeah, I just talked too much about their prices. Transparenze, Ankara collant. So Ankara, that capital of Turkey, right? Turkey. So why it's called Ankara? I don't know, like if the patterns or these colors, anything about this title related to Ankara city, but somehow it called Ankara. So this waistband is that's thin but wide, thin and wide, and even the legs, the other part is way thicker than this waistband. So it's actually a little bit funny how thin they are compared to the other fabric. Interesting. And the color is like, it's very classic. It can be like very trendy, or also I can just say it's very like old school, like old style? Well, it's in between. With some perspective, we can say it's very new modern style. From others' perspective, we can say it's a little tacky and weird color. That's why I said exciting and nervous. Let me try that one. Ta-da-da. Wow, it's so seriously like wow. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. I like that how it look with this camera screen. So what I like is I can show you guys very fun moment with some unique pattern types. That's what I like. I'm a YouTuber, so I should bring you guys many reviews and many funny moments, and also very like some tights that are not very common, so you guys can see how it look like. So I like that part, but just personally, I'm not a big fan of this tight. But you know, as I said, it just bring you guys some good moment of review. It's my job, so I like that. Well, I don't know why it's called Ankara, but it's like a pant, like literally so thick. So I think that's why I don't really enjoy that one. It just don't show your any skin or underwear or like any part of it. It just covered all your legs like thick pants. Yeah, what denier is that? I would call it just pants, not the collant. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm also very curious the designer who made these ties, where they got some inspiration from. Because I'm quite confused with this ties. Do you have any good idea like what I can styling up with, or where I can wear it and inappropriately? So if you have some idea, please let me know. So I will think about it, where I can wear to go, or like which outfit I can dressing up with. I think I like this because it challenged me, seriously. Like I should think about that, styling up with this tight. I'm just keep telling you guys some like confusing point, but I am confused. So yeah, and also it looks like you know, you're drawing that with the painting. It's like a painting tights. Oh, sorry, pants I mean. So, well, is this thumbs up or thumb down? In a unique way, thumbs up for me. And I like blue and green too. So, another thumbs up. Yeah, Transparenze making so many unique ties. Like, the more I'm trying them, the more, I don't know, like and dislike. But that's good. What else information about it? 53% of polyamide, 41% of polystyrene, and 6% of elastine. Alright, good to know. And comfort waistband, Yes, it is comfort. It is comfort. So I think I know why the waistband is way thinner than the other tight area. It's because like pants here, and it doesn't want to, putting so much fabric on your contour top waistband on your belly. It will get your tummy like stuffy or something. So I get it now why it's thinner here. Okay, Ankara, it was nice to see you, and let me think about you. Okay, I need to think about some more ideas about you, Ankara. So it's good to know, good to meet her. You let me know. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I hope you guys enjoy this tights, I guess. See ya next video. Bye.